we have been running out of space here in our the shop that we're normally in, and so we're starting to move half of our stuff down to another place, a hangar at the airport, and that will be exciting for us. It gives us new room to open up and have a better place to work. We're starting to separate the composites and the CNC work, and so we're kind of down in our new shop, and right now it's a super big mess because we're moving in. We're grateful for all of you who have continued to tune in and follow our journey on this path to personal flying machines. If you have any questions, we'll do the best we can to answer those questions as we go forward.